get into this video. This video is actually the outfit collaboration video that I've been doing with AngelsHeavenlyNails. So we decided to do like a full set of videos. We did a nail design, we did a toe art design, and this is the outfit video. So I'm going to refresh your memory of what her toe art design was, her nail art design was, and this is the picture of her outfit to match. So yeah, it's really pretty. I love the colors that she chose. So yeah, so this is actually the outfit and the nail design and the toe design of my video. So first off, the hair, I'm gonna go through the hair. The hair is still basically the same. The only thing I did was I should have added a little bit more curl to it. Some of the curls are drooping, but I was lazy this morning. I didn't feel like doing it, so I decided to just pretty much leave it as it was. I don't have a long day today, so I decided to just leave it like it was. So this is the hairstyle. I told you all last week that I'm going to be wearing this unit for about 3 weeks. So this is week 2. So I'm going to wear it one more week, and then I'll be changing my hair again. I am going to braid my hair up. I still haven't forgot. I am going to braid it up, but I realized that my family reunion is coming up. Also, I think it's in June or July. One of those months. I have to check and see. I can't remember. It's in June or July, so I'm going to wait until then to braid my hair up because I don't want to have to deal with my hair while I'm dealing with family reunion and everything. I don't want to have to worry about doing my hair around that time. So I'm going to actually wait until then before I braid my hair up so my braids will be fresh. So I'll be wearing protective styles. I might even wear my hair out a couple of times in between there before I actually braid it up. So yeah. So the dress that I have on today, my dress is white at the top, and at the bottom part of it, which you'll see in pictures in this video, it has these different multicolored flowers, and mostly like a rosy pink or peach and with a little bit of red to it, and yellow and blue and green. Those are the colors that's in the bottom of my dress, which you'll see in pictures at the end of this video. And the dress came with the belt that I have on, so I decided to wear the belt with the dress. The dress is kind of pleated and gathered, somewhat wide tail. Like I said, you'll see it in pictures at the end of this video. So I decided to keep my jewelry mainly white with just a little bit of color to it. The necklace set, first I'll start with the necklace set. The necklace set I actually purchased at It's Fashion Metro, I believe, a while ago. And I got it mainly because it was clear and I thought it was really cute. Clear necklace. So I decided to wear it today, and I could have pulled out one of the colors in my dress, but I decided to just keep everything just basically pretty much white. The earrings I have on were actually a birthday gift, which I love so much. They're sterling silver, and I don't know if you can see really good on camera or not, but they have multicolored rhinestones in it. And all the colors that's in the earrings actually match my dress. It has all these colors in my dress at the bottom. So I decided to wear them today. So that's why I didn't put on a lot of colored necklace or anything, because I had the earrings at the top with all the colors in it. On this hand, I have my gold ring that my husband brought me. I told you all my wedding ring is too little because I gained weight. It's a long story. But yeah. So I'm going to have to get it resized and open up some, because I can't even, if I get it on my finger, there's no way I'm going to be getting it off. So I decided not to put it on. On this hand, I have a white butterfly ring that I purchased at my local beauty supply store. It has like an iridescent, somewhat like an opal effect to it, so it kind of reflects a little bit, but it's mainly white. I also have on this white and silver like glass bead bracelet, and it's stretchable. I purchased it at It's Fashion Metro too a very long time ago. I used to shop at It's Fashion Metro a lot back in the day. Now I don't even shop out. Everything I get now, I basically shop online. I never leave my house to shop. Shoes, whatever. Well, maybe groceries, but other than that, mainly I shop at home, from home now. So the main places I shop now is, first, probably I would say Amazon mainly, and then if it's not Amazon, I'll shop from eBay. So those are the two places. I used to shop from eBay a whole lot, but now that I've discovered Amazon, which I've switched over to Amazon mainly. But I do shop on eBay sometimes too. So that's basically where I get everything from. So this time I have this bracelet, which I just knocked one of the little stones out. I'm going to put it back in a second. It won't take long. And it has these multicolored rhinestones in it. So I decided to put it on. I thought it would add a little bit of color on my wrist this morning. Since everything up here is white, I decided to add this on to a little bit of color as well. The shoes and handbag that I'm taking today, I decided to not keep just everything white, because you all know yellow is my favorite color. So I decided to pull out the yellow in this dress, and I decided to wear yellow shoes and a yellow handbag. But everything else I pretty much kept white and multicolored. This is the handbag that I'm taking today. This is one that I purchased that I was going to put a huge Tweety bird on, which I haven't done yet. And I still may do it, but I have one I have one Tweety bird purse, but this purse actually wasn't yellow enough for me. When I ordered off Amazon, and I thought it was going to be one of those really, really bright, like canary yellows, but it wasn't. From the screen, it looked like it was, but when I got it, it wasn't. So it's kind of like a, it's not quite a mustard yellow, but it's not as bright as I wanted it to be, so I didn't do anything to it yet. And I still may put a Tweety bird on the handbag, I'm not really sure. The shoes that I have, that I'm wearing, I did a video on these shoes this weekend. And I'm hoping that the video was up before you see this one. If not, it will be soon. But these are the shoes. They were just some yellow sandals. I ordered these off Amazon. And I decided, I was going to wear these just like they was. But y'all know me. I don't know why. Every time I get a pair of shoes, I end up blinging, putting some kind of bling or something on them. So I decided to bling these out lightly. I didn't want it to take all day for me to do them, which I could have got them done completely covered in one day, but I don't want to spend that long on them, so I just decided to just do the heel and the platform, and I outlined the shoe with crystals, and I just dotted some throughout the straps of the shoe. So this is the heel, and I added crystal AB to these shoes to pull out some of the white in my dress as well, and I didn't have enough yellow crystals to bling these out all over yellow, so I decided to add the crystal AB in there, and I think it came out really, really cute. The platform I kept all yellow on these shoes, and then I outlined them with a little bit of light yellow, and then I dotted like yellow and crystal AB rhinestones over the entire shoe on all the little straps. And the back part I just outlined with crystal AB right up in this area. So yeah, so I decided to do these, and I tried them on. These shoes are so comfortable, and I love the fact that they have this long strap, so I can lace them and wrap them all the way up my leg if I want to, or I can just leave them down low. In the pictures at the end of this video, see I had them wrapped up kind of high, but not extremely high on my leg. And they're really, really comfortable. I love the platform on these shoes. I walked around them. They're really comfortable. So, yeah. And like I said, you know I love yellow. So, I might end up doing me some more yellow shoes later on, but you will see it if I do. So yeah, so last couple of weeks I've been actually designing shoes and wearing them the week that I actually designed them for myself. And I have a couple more wedges and stuff around here that I purchased. And I purchased them for myself, the size that I wear, mainly because they were cheap shoes at the time. And I know eventually I'll come up with something that I want to do with those shoes. So basically all I do is I purchase the cheap shoes when I see them online, if they're my size and they're reasonable. I purchase them and box them in and just store them. And then when I have an outfit or something, I want to do a pair of shoes to match the outfit, then I just pull out a pair of shoes and design them. So that's basically all I've been doing. So that's why a lot of times when I mention in the video that I don't remember where I purchased the shoes from, I don't. It's either eBay or Amazon, one or two. That's all I can tell you. So yeah, so that is basically it for everything. Let me know what you think, and I will talk to you later, YouTube. Till then, take care.